So hello everyone and welcome to our next lecture. So ये lecture में मैं आपको कुछ पढ़ाने नहीं वाला हूँ. In this lecture I am going to tell you how to do calculations. So in the previous lecture I have taken some numericals और मैंने assignment के लिए भी काफ़ी लोगों को numericals दिए हुए थे. काफ़ी लोगों ने solve किए भी थे, doubts थे, मैंने doubt session भी लिया. लेकिन कैलकुलेशन कैसे करना है, हाउ टू डू दोस कैलकुलेशंस, है ना. तो काफी लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे कैलकुलेशंस कैसे करना है. तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू डू कैलकुलेशन, क्योंकि आगे जब हम लोग बढ़ेंगे तो और न्यूमेरिकल्स आएंगे और कैलकुलेशंस करना पड़ेगा, राइट. तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू डू कैलकुलेशंस. तो कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए what we do is we use the logarithm and anti-logarithm table. तो दिस टेबल इज द लॉग टेबल, ठीक है. हम लोग इसको शॉर्ट में भी कॉल दिस एज द लॉग टेबल. This is the log table, right, or the logarithm table, and we also have an anti-log table. And using this log and anti-log table, you can do any calculation. Using this log and anti-log table, you can do any calculation. Correct. So let us take an example. अभी example में क्या है? In this example, we want to multiply 1942 with 4.847. So my first number is 1942. For this 1942, I want to find the log. For this 1942, I want to find the log. Now, before you find the log, you have to tell me how many digits are there before a decimal. So there is no decimal point here. So how many digits are there? I have 4 digits. I have 4 digits. Because I have 4 digits, I will write here 3 point. This 3 is called as the characteristic part. This 3 is called as the characteristic part. And how do you find the characteristic part? Characteristic part is number of digits before a decimal minus before decimal point. Number of digits before decimal point minus 1. Correct. So we have 4 digits, so you should take 3 points. Now our figure is 19.20. So I will go to the log table. Correct. This is log table, and our number was, what was our number? Our number is 1920. Correct. Our number is 1920. So I will go to the log table, and in this log table, can you see 19, and then can you see 2? Correct. And then because the last digit is 0, you don't have to worry. So I will see 192. The fourth digit was 0, so it does not matter. So 19 and 2. So row is 19, column is 2. In this row and column, what is the number you get? You get 2833. So I will come back and I will write here 2833. So this 2833 is called as the mantissa. This 2833 is called as the mantissa. Correct. So what is the log of 1920? Log of 1920 is 3.2833. Correct. Now what is next number? Next number is 4.847. I want to find the log. Now how many digits you have before the decimal? How many digits you have before the decimal? Before a decimal. So before a decimal you only have 1 digit. Before decimal you have only 1 digit. So what will you write? So I will write here 0. Why did I write 0? So if you have 4 digits, your characteristic is 3. If you have 1 digit, your characteristic is 0. Now our number is 4847. So now how will I find the mantissa? To find the mantissa, I will go to log table, and what is our number? 4847. So I will go to log table, right, and our number is 48. Can you see 48? Then fourth row. So 48 row, then fourth, and then 7. Correct. So 48, In the fourth row, what is the number? In the fourth row, 4, 8, and this is the fourth row, right? In the fourth row, your number is 6, 8, 4, 8, right? So I will take 6, 8, 4, 8, sorry, 6, 8, 4, 8, and then 7. So 6, 8, 4, 8, and then 7. In this seventh, what do you get? You get 6. So 6, and this is 6, 8, 4, 8. So 6, 8, 4, 8 plus 6. What is 6, 8, 4, 8 plus 6? So it will be 6, 8, 5, 4. So my mantissa comes out to be 6, 8, 5, 4. So the mantissa comes out to be 6, 8, 5, 4. Correct. So I want to multiply these two numbers. Whenever you want to multiply two numbers, you should add their log. So I have 3.2833. Because I want to multiply, I will add the log. So 0.6854. I hope everyone knows addition. So 3 plus 4 will be 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 16. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7 and 2, 9. And this is 3.9687. Correct. Now, to find the original answer, I have to take anti-log. So to take anti-log, I will go to the anti-log table. So we also have an anti-log table. Okay, this is the anti-log table. Now remember, in anti-log table, you have to see 4 digits after a decimal. What are the digits after a decimal? After a decimal, we have 9687. So 9687. So 96, this is 96, then this is 8. In the 8th row, 9, 6, 8 and 7. So 9, 6, 8 and 7. So I have 9290. Correct. I have 9290. This 9290 should be added with the mean difference. This mean difference. So this is 15. So 9290 plus 15. What is 9290 plus 15? It is 9305. So what is my answer? So this anti-log is 9305. Okay, and I will put one decimal. Where will I put the decimal? I will put the decimal after first digit, and I will say 10 to the power this number. What is this number? This number is 3. So I will say 10 to the power 3. It means my answer is 9305. Correct. So 1920 multiplied by 4.847 comes out to be equal to 9305. Correct. You can cross check with your calculator. Correct. You can cross check with your calculator. You will get the same answer. Okay. मतलब log calculation is not very exact. It is approximate calculation. So I will just do it in my calculator. I will say 1920 multiplied by 4.847. So you get 9306. I got 9305. Right. So how to calculate? So I have calculated log of 1920. Then I have calculated log of 4.847. Then because there is multiplication, you add the logs. After you add the logs, you take anti-log. Correct. And your answer is 9305. Correct. Okay. Let us take one more example. Right. Now, one more example. One more example is 40.58. Correct. 40.58. Now you tell me how many digits you have before a decimal. So how many digits are there before a decimal? There are 2 digits. So what will be log? I will say log is 1 point. Correct. And my second is 3.08. So how many digits before the decimal? Before a decimal, I have only 1 digit. So the characteristic part will be 0 point. Always remember, the characteristic part is number of digits minus 1. Correct. So this. Now what is the number? 4058. Okay. I want to calculate log for this. 4058. So 4058. So let us go to log table. Let us say 40. This is 40. Then this column, 40. This column is 5. and then this number is 8. So now you have to add 4075 plus 9. Sorry, 6075. So I will write it here, 6075 plus 9. It will be 6084. Okay. So this will, what is the log in this case? So log is 6084. What is the log? So the log is 6084. Correct. Now 308. है ना? What are our digits? So for second, it is 38. So 308. So now you have to look at 30. This is 30 and this is 8. So it is 4886. 30 and 8. So this is 4886. Correct. So 308. So 4886. 4886. So 308 is 4886. So 304886. Now here you are doing division. Whenever you want to do division, you should subtract the logs. So I will subtract. So this is 0.4886. Correct. And I want to subtract. So how to subtract? Now from 4 you cannot subtract 16. So I have to make this 14 and I have to make this 7. So what is 14 minus 6? 14 minus 6 will be 8. 7 you cannot subtract it. So you have to borrow from here. So this will become 9. This will become 5 and this will become 17. So 17 minus 8 will be how much? It will be 9. 9 minus 8 will be 1. Right. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Minus 1 minus 0 will be 1. Correct. So now after subtraction, you have to take anti-log. Anti-log. Now for anti-log, which digits should we consider? We should consider these digits. For finding anti-log, we take digits after a decimal point. For calculating anti-log, we take digits after a decimal point. So 0.1198. So I will go to anti-log table and my number is 0.11. Where is 0.11? This is 0.11. Then this is 9 and this is 8. है ना? So number was 1198. Was it 1198? Yeah, 1198. So 1198. I get 1315 plus 2. So I will get 1317. So 13 है ना 1315 plus 2. Right. So 1315 plus 2. So 1315 plus 2 will be 1317. So my antilog is 1317. Decimal is always after first digit and this will be 10 to the power. What is this digit? This digit is 1. So this will be 10 to the power 1. Correct. So my answer is 13.17. So what we have calculated is 40.58 divided by 3.08. It should come out to be 13.17. Correct. You can cross check with your calculator. You should get nearby answer. Remember, log is a approximate calculation. It is not exact calculation. So in calculator also you will get 13.17. So remember, in addition, for multiplication, you should add the log. So I will write here for multiplication. For multiplication of two numbers, their logs, their logs are added. For multiplication of two numbers, their logs are added, and for division, for division of two numbers, their logs R, subtract. Correct? How? So I have told you how to find the log, how to find the anti-log. In anti-log, you should consider digits after a decimal. Okay? I have more examples, so don't worry. Okay. Now this is one example. Now, if you look at this calculation, can I say in numerator I have 3.142 multiplied by, can I say this is 1737 whole square multiplied by 10 to the power 6 whole divided by, this is 3.84 whole square into this is 10 to the power 16. Correct? 8 into 2 will be 16. 3 into 4. Now actually this is question from first lecture. This is solved example from first lecture. Okay. This is solved example from first lecture, lecture 1. Solved example from first lecture, lecture 1. Correct? So now how to do the calculation? So let us say 3.142. So for 3.142, what is the log? How many digits before the decimal? There is only one digit before the decimal. So I will say 0 point. Correct. Then my next number is 1737. 1737. What to do about square? I will tell you later. So 1737. There are 4 digits. So I will say 3 point. And then my third number is 3.84. How many digits before the log? Only one digit before the log. So I will take 0 point. Here I had 4 digits. So I said 3 point. Now first is 3142. So I will go to log table. I will go to log table. This is log table. And I want 31. So 31. Correct. 3142. So it is 4969 plus 3. So it will be 49. It will be 4972. So this will come out to be, this will come out to be 4972. This will come out to be 4972. Then 1737. So 1737. 1737. So this is 17. Correct. This is 3. This is 3. And then this is 7. So this is 17. So 2380 plus 17. 1737. So 2380 plus 17. What is 2380 plus 17? It will be 2397. It will be 23. Okay. It will be 2397 and 384. Correct. So 384. So 384. So where is 38? This is 38 and then this is 4. So 384 is 5843. 384 is 5843. 384 is 5843. I'll just confirm. 384 is 5843. Correct. So it is 5843. Right. Okay. So these are. Now, first of all, I have 1737 square. So how will you get 1737 square? So this should be multiplied. So I will say multiplied by 2. Correct. So what will be multiplied? So 14 carry 1, 19 carry 1, 3 into 7, 4 and then 6. So that is the log of 137 square. We also have 3.84 square. So you will get, so what will be the log? Log will be 0.5843 multiplied by 2. So that will be 6, 8, 16, carry 1, 5 into 10 and 1, 11 and this is 1.1. Correct. Okay. Now see in the numerator, these two are getting multiplied. So their logs should be added. So what is the log? So 4972 is the log of 3.142. Correct. And then 6.4794. That is the log for 1737 whole square. and because these two are multiplied, I should add their logs. So 6, 16 carry 1, 17 carry 1, this is 9 and this is 6. So this is 6.9767. But then this is divided by 3.84 square. So what is the log? So this is 1.1686. I will subtract because this is the log of 3.84 square और 3.84 स्क्वायर से हमने उसको डिवाइड किया है, तो क्योंकि 3.84 स्क्वायर से डिवाइड किया है, you have to subtract the log. So if you subtract, so 6 minus 6 is 0, then I have to make this as 6. This will become 16. So this will be 8. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. Point. This is 5. So now we have to take anti-log. Now how to take anti-log? For anti-log, we concentrate on those digits which are after the decimal. So after a decimal, you have 8080. Correct. So I'll go to log table and I'll try to see 8080. ठीक है, 80808, right? And then no need to see the zero. So there is no zero in the fourth of this thing. So 808. So 6427. So I'll come back and I'll write here. 6427 multiplied by 10 to the power this number is 5, so 10 to the power 5, and decimal is always after the first digit. So this calculation, है ना, I have left this out of the calculation, so this is 6.427 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 10 to the power 16. So my answer should come out to be 6.427 into how much will be this? 5 plus 6 will be, so 10 to the power minus 5 steradian. Correct. This should be the answer for this question. ठीक है. Few students ने मेरे को point out किया था कि मेरा शायद calculation गलत था. So I think this should be the correct calculation. What I will do is I will also check it through calculator. So let us check it through calculator also. Right. So this will be 1737 multiplied by 1737 multiplied by 3.142 divided by 3.84 divided by 3.84. Right. So it is 6428 it is coming out to be. I have written 6427. And, okay. So this is correct. So that is how you have to do the calculation. Okay. Now, so square रहा तो आप लोग क्या करोगे? Square रहा तो you multiplied by 2. What will happen if there is cube? Cube multiply by 3. Correct. That is how you have to do. So if the power is n, so a to the power n, then you find log of a. Then you find log of a, and to that log you multiply by n. तो a to the power n का log कैसे निकालते हैं? a का log निकालो और जो log आता है उसको multiply by n करो. That is how you do it. ठीक है. I have a lot of examples. Don't worry. So this is one more example. Right. This is one more example. Now in this, ठीक है. So our d is 824.7 into 10 to the power 9. Then alpha was given as 35.72 seconds, but 1 second is 4.8. Now this calculation, right? 35.72 का log, correct. और दूसरा नंबर कौन सा है? The second number is 4.847. So 4.847 का log. What will be the log? So this will be 1 point because there are 2 digits before the decimal, and this will be 0 point because there is only 1 digit before the decimal. Now 3572. Okay, 3572. 35. This is 35. This is 7. Correct. This is 7 and this is 2. 3572. So 5527. Can you see this? 3572. So 5527 plus 2. So 5529. So this will be 5529. 5529. Correct. And then 4847. 4847. आई थिंक ये 4847 का हमने निकाल के रखा हुआ है इन दिस क्वेश्चन. फिर से अगर आपको देखना है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो सी 48. Where is that 48? Okay, this is 48, 48, 4. This is 4, and this is 7. ठीक है, 7. So 6848, 6848 plus 6. So it is 6854. 6854, correct. So that will be 6854. 6854. Then because these two are multiplied, I will add their logs. So this is 13, carry 1. So 8, then 13, carry 1, and then 12, carry 1, and then this is 2. So 2.2383. Now I have to find antilog. To find antilog, we look at which digits. To find antilog, we look at digits after the decimal. So this is 2383. Correct. This is 2383. Right. So let us go to antilog 2383. This is antilog table. We are interested in 23. So this is 238, 2383. Correct. So 2383. So 1730 plus 1. So 1731. 1730 plus 1. So 1731. Sorry. So 17. So it is coming out to be 1731 into 10 to the power these digits before the decimal. So 10 to the power 2, and decimal is after this. So this multiplication should come out to be, this multiplication should come out to be 173 point. So can I say this is 173.1? Correct. And you observe here it is 173.1. So these two are multiplied and you get 173.1. Correct. And there is one more here. So 173.1 and 824.7. These two we want to multiply. So what is the log of this? Log of this will be 2 point, and log for this will also be 2 point. Now 1731, what is the log? So it will be opposite. So log will be 2.2383. You can also cross check it from log table. 1731. 1731. ठीक है. Where is 17? So 17, 3 and 1. So 2380 plus 2, 1731. So 2380 plus 2, so 2382. Correct. So I have written, did I write 2382? Yeah, 238283. ठीक है, चलेगा थोड़ा बहुत. Some variation will be there. And then 8247. So 8247. Where is 82? So 82. This is 4. 82 4 and 7 is 4. So 982 4 and 7, right? 82 4 and 7. So it is 9159 plus 4. So 9159 plus 4 will be 9163. So this is 9163. 8247. I'll just cross check. 82 4 and 7. So 9163 is correct. Now again multiplication we are doing. So we have to add them. Correct. Because we are multiplying these two, right? See, if you observe here, you are multiplying these two. So let us try to add. Okay. So what will be the addition? The addition will be, so 3 plus 3 is 6. 8 plus 6, 14. This is carry 1. And this is 5. This is 11. And this is carry 1. Now we have to take antilog. So what is antilog of this? So antilog of this will be, so look at these digits. For antilog, we look at digits after a decimal. So 0.1546, 1546. Okay, so 15, oh sorry, we want anti-log. 15, where is 15? This is 15, 4 and 6. So 6 is 2. So 1426 plus 2. So 1428. So 1428. So 1428, 10 to the power 5, and this will be 1 point. So this step should become 1.428 10 to the power 5. Apart from that, there is 10 to the power minus 6 and there is 10 to the power 9. So this will be 14. So answer is 1.428 into 10 to the power, this is 8 meter. Correct. So this is the answer. Right. अभी 1.427 आया था, यहाँ पे हमारा 1.428 आएगा. थोड़ा बहुत वेरिएशन आएगा क्योंकि log is an approximate calculation. But log से if you can do it, log थोड़ा tedious नहीं है, सिर्फ log टेबल में आपको देखना पड़ता है. But once you master it, this becomes very easy. करेक्ट. ओके, अब हमने आज का जो डेमो क्वेश्चन था, आई थिंक आज का डेमो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट डेमो जो मैंने लिया था, मैंने उसमें 1920 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4.847. ये देखो आज का डेमो, ये देखो 1920 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4.847. इसका आंसर हमने कितना निकाला था? इसका आंसर हमने निकाला था 9305. करेक्ट, 9305. तो ये रेडी है. ठीक है. So this I have solved in demo 1. This I have solved in demo 1 और इसका आंसर आता है 9305. ठीक है, दिस इज सॉल्व्ड इन डेमो 1. 9305 आता है, मैंने 9306 लिया था. इट डज नॉट मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस. करेक्ट. so 93, so this comes out to be 9305 10 to the power minus 6. तो मैंने उसको नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लिखा हुआ है 9.305 10 to the power minus 3. करेक्ट, रेडियन. और फिर ये कैलकुलेशन अभी हम लोग करते हैं. 9.306 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1.496. तो 9.306 का लॉग एंड 1.496 का लॉग. करेक्ट. तो 0 पॉइंट एंड दिस इज 0 पॉइंट. So 9306. So let us go to log table. We want 9306. 93 किधर है? 930 है ना, दिस इज 0. तो 930 और 6. So 9685 plus 3, so it is 9688. So it is 9688. So this is 9688. Correct. Or 1496. So 1496 also we have to see. Okay, so this is 149 and 6. So 1732 plus 18. 1732 plus 18 is 1750. 1750. 1750. And then because these two are multiplied, you add them, so ये आएगा 8. और ये कितना आएगा? 14 carry 1. This is again 14 carry 1 and this will be 11 and this is carry 1. अभी इसका एंटीलॉग देखना है. करेक्ट. एंटीलॉग के लिए we look at these 4 digits after decimal. So 1448. So let us go to antilog table. ठीक है. So 144 and this is 8. 1448. So 1393 plus 3. So what is 1393 plus 3? So 1393 plus 3 is 1396. Correct. So 1396. So this is, I got from anti-log table, I got 1396 into this is 10 to the power 1 because this is 1 here and decimal is always after first. तो इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन कितना आया, इन दोनों का मल्टीप्ली 1.396 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 1, यहाँ पे पहले से 10 टू द पावर -3 एंड 10 टू द पावर 11. तो माय आंसर विल कम आउट टू बी 1.396 इंटू 10 टू द पावर, ये 10 प्लस 11 प्लस 1 12 और 12 में से -3, सो 10 टू द पावर 9 मीटर. तो दिस इज माय आंसर. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा अप्रोक्सीमेट आया है पर ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा लॉग कैलकुलेशन भी देख लेना. ठीक है, मैंने 1392 लिखा था, मेरा 1396 आया. आई जस्ट क्रॉस चेक इन कैलकुलेटर. 306 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1.496 है ना, लिटिल बिट अप्रोक्सीमेट बट इट विल वर्क. चलता है, थोड़ा आसपास चलता है. ठीक है, सो फोर्थ डिजिट में देयर इज ऑलवेज वेरिएशन. फोर्थ डिजिट में देयर विल ऑलवेज बी वेरिएशन. फोर्थ डिजिट में वेरिएशन इज टॉलरेटेड, राइट. ओके ओके, नाउ ये वाला जो डिवीजन है, तो ये वाला डिवीजन हमने सॉल्व करके रखा हुआ है डेमो 2 में. तो दिस डिवीजन आई हैव कवर्ड इन डेमो 2. डेमो 2 आज का जो डेमो 2 था, तो डेमो 2 वाला स्लाइड देखो. हाँ, दिस डिवीजन 40.58 3.08 आई हैव कवर्ड. 40.58 3.08 13.17 40.5 थे, तो कितना आता है, दिस इज 13.17. करेक्ट. तो ये कितना आता है, ये आता है 13.17 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 टू द पावर 16. तो आएगा 13.17 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -1, तो आता है 1.317. करेक्ट, पारसेक. ओके, एंड ये कैलकुलेशन आप चेक कर सकते हो. 4.29 का लॉग एंड 9.46 का लॉग, तो दोनों में 0 पॉइंट आएगा. 0 पॉइंट क्यों, क्योंकि डेसिमल के पहले एक ही डिजिट है. और 42 9, तो लॉग टेबल में लेट अस गो टू लॉग टेबल. 42 9, there is 42, this is 42 42 9, so 42 9 is 6325. 42 9 is 6325. Correct. And 469 94, sorry 946. 94, this is 94 and 6, so 9759. So 9759. So 9759. करेक्ट. एंड देन क्योंकि मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, वी विल ऐड दैट. तो ये हो जाएगा 14 कैरी 1 6 8. ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा 10 कैरी 1 16 कैरी 1. और फिर इसका एंटीलॉग देखना है 6084. करेक्ट. तो 6084 का एंटीलॉग कितना आएगा, तो लेट अस गो टू एंटीलॉग टेबल. एंटीलॉग टेबल 6084. तो 4055 प्लस 4, so 4059. So this is 4059 into this will be 10 to the power 1. Correct. So that is what I have written. 4059 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 15. करेक्ट. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 40.59 10 टू द पावर 50 मीटर. करेक्ट. ये एक डिजिट का फर्क आया, हमारा 40.58 आया था कैलकुलेटर से, लॉग टेबल से आया 40.59. बट इट इज ओके, समवट डिफरेंस विल बी देयर एंड दैट मच इज टॉलरेटेड. ओके, और फिर ये कैलकुलेशन है, तो आई थिंक मल्टीप्लीकेशन बाय 2 के लिए लॉग टेबल वगैरह मत यूज करना. एंड देन लेट अस लुक एट दिस डिवीजन. ठीक है, एक डिवीजन करके देखते हैं. सो 2.992, तो 2.992 का लॉग कितना है, तो 2.992 का लॉग आएगा 0 पॉइंट. एंड 40.58 का लॉग कितना आएगा, 40.58 का लॉग आएगा 1 पॉइंट. ठीक है, 1 पॉइंट. So this will be 2992. First number is 2992. 2992. So let us go to log table to cross check 2992. 299 and 2. So it will be 4757 plus 3. So what is 4757 plus 3? It is 4760. It is 4760 and 4058. So 4058. So 405 and this is 8. तो ये कितना है 6075 plus 9. So it is 6084. So 6084. और यहाँ पे डिवीजन है, बिकॉज देर इज डिवीजन आई शुड सब्ट्रैक्ट. नाउ 0 में से 4 को नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकता, सो आई विल मेक दिस 5 and 10. तो 10 minus 4 विल बी 6. इसको मैं 6 करता हूँ, सो दिस विल बिकम 15. तो 15 minus 8 is 7 and this is 6. अब 4 में से 6 नहीं कर सकते, तो आई विल मेक दिस एज -1. तो 0 के एक नीचे लेके आए -1. -1 को हम लोग बोलते हैं 1 बार. तो दिस इज 14. तो 14 minus 6 आएगा 8. अब यहाँ पे देखो क्या हो रहा है, -1 में से -1 किया, तो -1 है, तो -1 तो -1 विल बी -2. तो -2 को हम लोग लिखते हैं 2 बार. 2 बार मतलब -2. अब इसका एंटीलॉग निकालना है. व्हाट विल बी एंटीलॉग? एंटीलॉग विल बी 8676 को देखना है. 8676. So let us go to antilog table and 8676. So 86, this is antilog table, yes. So 86, 7 and 6. So 7362 plus 10. 8676. So 7362 plus 10. So 7372. तो मेरा आंसर कितना आएगा? मेरा आंसर आएगा 7372. So I will say my answer is 7372 into 10 to the power. Now look at this number. This number is 2 bar. 2 bar मतलब -2. So it is 10 to the power -2. Correct. तो ये डिवीजन कितना आया? So theta will be 7.372 10 to the power -2. This is 10 to the power 11 divided by this is 10 to the power 15. तो ये कितना आएगा? ये आएगा 7.372 into this is 10 to the power, ये कितना आएगा -6 रेडियन. और इसको भी आप जरा डेसिमल को शिफ्ट करो, तो दिस विल बी 7.37 10 to the power -6 रेडियन. करेक्ट. यू कैन ऑल्सो क्रॉस चेक इन कैलकुलेटर, यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. ओके, तो ये एक कैलकुलेशन मैं आपके लिए छोड़ता हूँ. ठीक है, ये कैलकुलेशन मैं आपके लिए छोड़ता हूँ. डू इट बाय लॉग. वैसे लॉग से भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट प्लीज ट्राई फॉर योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, कुछ कैलकुलेशंस आप खुद करके देखो. तो ये वाला तो मैं आपके लिए छोड़ ही रहा हूँ, तो कुछ करके देखो. तो टू डू दिस कैलकुलेशंस यू शुड हैव अ लॉग बुक. और लॉग बुक में बहुत सारे पेजेस होते हैं, उसमें से 2 ही पेजेस इंपॉर्टेंट है, लॉग एंड एंटी लॉग. मतलब लॉगरिथम एंड एंटी लॉगरिथम. These 2 pages are important to us. You should have a logbook. आपके पास अगर लॉगबुक नहीं है तो यू टेल मी, आई विल. मेरे पास ये जो इमेजेस है लॉग और एंटी लॉग के, जो मैंने स्लाइड में यूज किए, आई विल शेयर दोस इमेजेस विथ. राइट. अच्छा, ये मैंने जितने भी न्यूमेरिकल्स मैंने सॉल्व किए हैं अभी इस लेक्चर में, आप लोग घर पे यही न्यूमेरिकल्स बिना देखे कैलकुलेट करके देखो, है ना. दिस लुक्स डिफिकल्ट, बट इफ यू प्रैक्टिस, एक बार आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, you will feel very comfortable and this will become very easy. I hope today you have understood how to do calculations using log table, whether they are multiplication, division, any calculations using log tables. ठीक है. Thank you everyone. That is all from my side. In case of any doubt, feel free to contact me. Thank you.